Welcome back. To log into your account, we are going to type in Office, or you can type in Microsoft 365. And we are going to click the first search result, and we will sign into our account. We will go to the Apps area. Another tool that you will have available to you inside of Microsoft 365 is the Forms area. And you're going to see that Forms will allow you to create different forms for any purposes. And again, all of these forms are going to be stored in your Microsoft 365 account, and that storage is going to take place in your overall Microsoft OneDrive account. Now, basically, you can create a new form from scratch, or you can use some of the available templates that Microsoft Forms has for you. And you will see some of the forms available to you. And again, these are the forms that are available as of the recording of this video. Assuming that you want to use the template for event feedback, and you want to make changes to this form for your own use. Now, to make changes, you can type in your changes here in this area. And all of the changes that you make are going to be auto-saved, and you will see them in your form. And you'll note here at the top that when you make changes here, you are going to have a name for your file inside of Forms, but you can click inside of this area if you want to make changes to your form title. And you can add and subtract different elements here to your form. If you want to add a new element, you can add in a choice element, a text element, a rating element, or a date element, and all of these elements will then be available. You can change the nature of the theme of your event style, and you'll see it here in this area. You'll notice here that this will change the element, and you can change it back to the element. As of the recording of this video, Forms will allow you to add in background music. If you want to make changes to the overall theme, you can click this area. If you want to see what the theme will look like on the web, you can click Preview, and you can see what your form will look like on a mobile device. When you are ready to begin collecting responses, you can click this button. You can then copy the link. If you want to shorten it, you can do that. You can then copy the new link. You can either share it on your social media, or you can give the link to the individuals that you want to answer. The individuals will get your web-based URL. They will then click the URL, and then they will then answer your questions. They will then click Submit, and their response will then be submitted. You will then see the responses inside of the forms, and you will be able to measure the feedback. So Microsoft Forms will allow you to create different forms for different occasions, and to collect the responses and to follow the feedback for those responses here in this area. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.